Welcome, boys, in your English class. Today in English, we are going to continue with our Unit 8, Home Sweet Home, Lesson 8.3, Homes Around the World. In this lesson, we are going to talk about different kinds of homes. Before you read, what is the weather like where you live? Do you have houses like these in your country? So we live in Saudi Arabia and the weather is mostly warm. So you can write here the weather is warm. And do you have houses like these in your country? A few. Okay, not many, but a few in most of the desert places or like this, we have a few. Okay, different kinds of homes. To describe the different kinds of home, what we are going to do, we are going to listen to the track carefully and then I'm going to explain it to you. So let's listen to the track number 93.
Track 93. Adobe houses. In some hot, dry places, people build houses made from mud and dry grass. These are called adobe houses. The thick mud walls keep the houses cool. Stilt houses. In some hot, wet places, people build houses on stilts. Stilt houses are built high above the water or land. The stilts are tree trunks. The air blows under the houses and keeps them cool. Cave houses. Cave homes are built in rocky cliffs. Cave homes stay cool during the summer. They stay warm during the cold winter. Skyscrapers. In cities all over the world, people live in tall buildings called skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are made of metal, concrete and glass. This skyscraper has more than 160 floors and 57 lifts.
Okay, boys, we are discussing about different kinds of houses in this lesson. The first lesson is of the first house is adobe houses. Adobe houses are mostly built in, you can see the picture of the adobe house in Ghana, here in Africa. They are built in hot and dry places. People build houses made from mud and dry grass, okay? They are called adobe houses. The thick mud walls keep the houses cool. So where there is the weather is very warm or hot and dry, people what do they make the houses with the help of mud and dry grass so that these houses stay cool in summer. Okay. Then we have learned about stilt houses. Stilt houses are also built in hot places but wet places, not dry places. The first adobe houses were built in hot and dry, and stilt houses are built in wet places and hot places. So, in some hot, wet places, people build houses on stilts. Stilt houses are built high above the water or land. The stilts are tree trunks. So they are made from tree trunks, means wood. Okay. The air blows under the houses and keep them cool. Both of these adobe houses and stilt houses are built in hot temperature, but adobe houses are built in dry places, whereas the stilt houses are made in wet places. The adobe houses are made of are made of mud and dry grass, whereas stilt houses are made from tree trunks, the wood from tree trunk. They are made. The stilt houses, they are made above the land so that air can pass through, blows under the ground and keep the house clean. You can see the both houses in the picture. The first one is adobe house and the second one is stilt house. Okay, moving on to the third house, that is cave houses. The houses that are built in rocky or mountain hilly places. The cave houses are built in a rocky cliff. Cave houses homes stay cool during the summer. They stay warm during the cold winter. Cave houses in Turkey. So the cave houses are very good because they stay cool in summer and they stay warm in winter and they are strong. Okay, the cave houses are most strong houses so far because they are made of rocks. Cave houses are made of rocks, whereas adobe houses are made from mud and dry grass, and stilt houses are made from tree trunks. So the cave houses are strong and they stay cool in summer and warm in winter. Mostly these type of houses are made in Turkey. Okay, moving on to the next page. Page number 135. Here, in cities all over the world, people live in tall buildings. What is the name of this house? Skyscrapers. Burj Khalifa skyscraper in Dubai. So this type of houses are called modern houses or up-to-date houses. These are tall buildings called skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are made of metal, concrete, and glass. The skyscrapers has more than 160 floors and 57 lifts. So you can say that skyscrapers are more developed house or modern house. Okay, here is the picture of skyscraper. Question number 2, moving on to question number 2. Choose true or false for each statement. Question number 2, true or false. Choose true or false for each statement. Adobe houses have thick walls made of mud and dry grass. Yes. We have studied that adobe houses are made of mud and dry grass. So the answer is true. Circle true. Stilt houses keep you warm in cold weather. False. No. Only in warm weather. People dig into rocks to make cave houses. Yes. I told you that the cave houses are made of rocks and the people dig the rocks to make these houses. Number D, a skyscraper has lots of windows. Yes, because they are more than 100 floors, so they have lots and lots of windows. So circle the right answers. Question number 4. Where do they live? Read the clues. Where does each child live? To get to my home, I go up in a lift. So this is a skyscraper because we have studied about the houses and a skyscraper has a lift and it has a tall building. So the first child lived in a skyscraper. Number B, to get to my home, I ride in a boat. Stilt house, because stilt houses are made above the water. So this is a stilt house. Question number C, I live in a hot place, but inside my house it is cool. You can see in the picture also. So these are an adobe house where the third child lives. D. My bedroom is inside a mountain. So a cave houses are built inside the mountains. So we are going to say that the fourth child lived in a cave house. An adobe house is made of mud and dry grass. A stilt house is built above the water. Here you can see. Then we have on number 3, a cave house is made of rock here. And a skyscraper is made of metal, concrete, and glass. The one house that I said it is the modern house nowadays. This is skyscrapers here. So in today's class, we have studied about 4 types of houses. Here is a summary or a short explanation of each of the house. If you are going to read it, you are going to understand we are talking about which house. Okay.